Kum shibenta ban penslor bat aiman semi ki samla pulia jong Islam ajing kai hagi training baper ki bala dep training bat ki bala yok kamru hagi benta baper bakan thop chabar jalla u menteri rangba ka jalla Meghalaya u Konrad ki sangma haringkat ka jinga senran lang ka kong RM Kurba IAS Deputy Commissioner jong ko East Khasi Hills District u Dr Vijay Kumar IAS CEO MSSDS ki staff ka MSSDS ki lawan bayan dan benta lang ha ka program pun ko buram ya ki samla pulia ki bala dep training Hakani ngi shwa ka program pun ko buram u menteri rangba ulalait banjengo i department baper ki badan hakani Islam ajing hikai bakan top na do ka bakery ka specialized cake ka fashion designing ka mobile repairing bat ki way na kalyang jo menteri rangba ulai roy ka jingla jong ni Islam ajing hikai ban training ya ki spa bat ki hajar ngot ki khana pule ha ka shisnam Ulo angru baka sarkar ka donjing temu ban penmikam na kabenta sanlak ki samla haki benta baper bat ka sarkar kan ïatrei lang bat ka Don Bosco Technical School Shillong na kabenta ban pois ya kani thong ula kenturu ya ka Don Bosco Technical School Shillong ban nang pentamai su ikirkom training kat kom ka jingya jong ka po
today when father was speaking and when I saw the students and interacted with all of you, there is a sense of this passion that I saw in all of you. This spark that's there in all of you. This desire to really do something. And that's really, I'll tell you, the most important aspect in life when you do something, you know. You need to ensure that whatever you are doing or thinking or believing, the two people who came here and spoke, you could see that sense of passion in their voice and in their eyes and what they wanted to do and what they're doing. Today, Meghalaya and the entire country faces a very, very tough situation. Out of the 60,000 youths who are joining the workforce every year, there is only 1,000 government jobs available for the 60 out of the 60,000. Just 1,000. MPSC, approximately 300 to 400 to 500 advertisements come out every year, 400 to 500. And others, maybe another 200-300, plus minus, you can say about 1,000. On an average, every year, government jobs will come out. So what happens to the rest of the 59,000 children? And that is where the real challenge lies for us. And hence, as a government and as a society and as a community, if we are not able to work out the full map and the larger picture of how we will address this issue, we will not be able to solve it. Now, this requires many things. It's not just the training that you require. We need to figure out that the training has to be mapped with the kind of industries requirement that will be there. What is going to be the future of economic growth in Meghalaya, in Northeast and in the country? What are the kind of skills that you will require to be able to, to fuel this particular industry, the sector that's there in the future? So as a government and as organizations, we need to be able to address this issue by scientifically mapping the work, the manpower that's required, by addressing and looking into the economic growth that will take place in the future. So if it's tourism sector that is going to grow, how much is it going to grow? When that happens, then how many people will require? What are the skills will require in it? And hence, my purpose of coming here today, I know I'm giving you a very, very big and long story, but it is important for you to understand where we are coming from. This visit of mine is not just a photo op. This visit of mine is not an Instagram moment. It's not. It's much more bigger and meaningful than what you can think, is what I'm trying to tell you. We have been working on this entire roadmap and plan for the last 5 years. We realize that there are many challenges that are there. We are one by one untying those knots. It's a very complicated problem, which requires a lot of things to be done. And we are very thankful today to the Don Bosco Technical for the kind of work that they are doing. It's amazing. I was going to speak about it, but principal has already given the details. that the number of students who pass out from here are higher than all the other ITIs put together. You deserve a round of applause, I must say. Really. It's amazing. And each one of you sitting here is a part of that story. You have made what Don Bosco Technical School is today is because of you, because of the faculty that's here. And I congratulate all of you. It is a tough challenge, a lot of difficulties you face, but here is where lives are changed. Here to tell you that we as a government are going to now walk with you hand in hand. We have been doing a small part of what we have been able to do through MSSDS in the past. Trust me, we will scale it up even more further. Much more. As a government, we have targeted that we must create 5 lakh job employment opportunities in different sectors.
Nakaliang principal ka Don Bosco Technical School Father Arcadius Puwen, hapa ajing kren ningkong haswaban sedang yak program ulit hu sa pang ka Don Bosco Technical School.
Today we got a special privilege because of MSSDS. We therefore thank Dr. Vijay Kumar, IAS, CEO of MSSDS, and all the staff. In fact, before Chief Minister came, he talked to us and he briefed us about so many things. Thank you so much, sir. In recent grading system of ITI by DGT from Delhi, DBTS secured 8.4 out of 10, that is highest in the state and in the Northeast. It is in such situation that we appreciate MSSDS who have been supporting us financially in 2 trades. I hope we will get 1 or more trades in the future.